Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Thank you. I cannot get enough of saying thank you. That is my favorite word. Thank you. Today we are actually going to be seeing a commission that I did for someone who saw my first Mickey Mouse that I made and wanted a Mickey Mouse just like that, but with another background. They wanted me to use two different, like a female and not a female, a boy and a girl colors. Let's get to this. Let me stop talking and show you this video. Let's go.
Subscribe now.
Alright guys, I hope you love this video, guys. Once again, my favorite word, what is it? Thank you. Thank you for supporting this channel, guys. Thank you. I cannot get enough of this. Oh, and by the way, I'm still painting on the on the TV. Look at this. Still painting over there. Look at this. Still painting. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it, and I appreciate everything. I'll see you in the next video. Because I have done Mickey Mouse before, but I don't think I have. I think I did that same Mickey Mouse actually. Well, the point.